Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if humans could live on another planet? One of the most popular dreams is living on Mars, the red planet. But is it possible? Let's go on a scientific adventure to find out. First, let's think about what we need to live. Air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and a safe home. Earth gives us all these things naturally. Mars, on the other hand, is a very different place. Mars is much colder than Earth. Its average temperature is about -80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is colder than most freezers. The atmosphere on Mars is super thin and made almost entirely of a gas called carbon dioxide. Humans need oxygen to breathe, but there's hardly any on Mars. If we took off our space helmets there, we wouldn't be able to breathe at all. What about water? There isn't any liquid water on the surface of Mars today, but scientists have discovered frozen water at its poles and under the ground. If we could melt this ice, maybe people could have enough water to drink and grow plants. Food would be another big challenge. Mars has no farms, trees, or animals. Astronauts would have to bring their own food from Earth or try to grow it indoors. Scientists are studying special greenhouses, like gardens inside spaceships, where plants could grow under artificial lights. The gravity on Mars is weaker, too. You'd weigh less on Mars than on Earth, about 1/3 as much. Jumping and moving would feel very different, and scientists aren't sure how Mars' gravity might affect our bodies after a long time. But the good news is that smart people all over the world are working on these challenges. Engineers are designing strong shelters to protect astronauts from freezing temperatures and dangerous space radiation. Inventors are creating machines to turn Martian air and ice into oxygen and water. Some experiments are already being tried on the International Space Station. No humans have visited Mars yet. Some space agencies and companies hope to send people there in the next decade, maybe as soon as the 2030s. When that happens, the astronauts will learn a lot about how people can survive on Mars for a long time. So, can we live on Mars? Not yet, but scientists are working hard to make it possible. Maybe one day, you could be one of the first people to call Mars your home. For now, we can keep exploring, learning, and dreaming about this amazing red planet in our night sky.